Look what came in the mail today from Viking. I am so excited to open these up and share them with you guys. I've been waiting almost a year for this to happen. I'm so excited today. This here is the Designer Epic 3. Well, that's what's in these boxes at least. Well, what am I waiting for? Let's open these up. I can't wait to see what this looks like and test it out. Let's do it. We've got our cover. We've got our instruction manual. Look at that thing. What's that thing? We'll figure it out. More cords. Our handy dandy pedal. And our accessory kit. When we take off the top layer, we've got our machine in here. Oh my gosh. Time to get it out of the box. This machine is so beautiful. I love its sleek design, and I love that it's a gold color too. And it sparkles. What? So cool. I cannot wait to plug this in and try it out with you. But let's open up that embroidery unit next because it is supposed to be huge. It's supposed to do massive embroideries. I am stoked about this. Okay, let's see how big this thing really is. Well, there's just a giant suitcase in here, so let's turn it on its side and take it out. Oh, wow. This thing is on wheels. It means we can take it grocery shopping. This thing really is travel ready. Look at this. We are ready to go to the airport. All right, let's open this up. I've never seen it, so this is my first time with you. Okay, I've got my zippers, and here we go. Okay. Ooh, we've got styrofoam. There are so many pieces in this embroidery unit box. I am so excited to dive in and learn all about these new pieces. Now I know you can sew in the round on this, which I am totally stoked about. So if you guys have ever tried embroidering a t-shirt, you gotta flip up the sides, and it's all annoying because you can't just slip it on the bed of the machine. Well, now you can. But before we attach this embroidery unit, we need to set up that Epic 3. So let's go do it. I've been waiting a year, and this machine is finally on my sewing table. Let's turn it on and check it out. This machine is so bright. I love all the light on it because we need bright light when we sew. The hand wheel is even lit up, and where we wind the bobbins is lit up. And there's a little light where we put in our USBs. There is so much amazing light on this machine. There's even a logo on the back of the machine that's lit up. So I'm in the middle of setting up my machine right now where I connect it to the internet and all that good stuff. And right now I get to name my machine. How cool is this? I'm gonna name it Iris because that's the name of my cat. So we're gonna name it after Iris. Ooh, we get to choose our color theme too. Well, I'm gonna keep it bronze because Iris is bronze. So I'll see you guys when I'm done setting up. Now that we have it set up, let's check out some of the menus and test out some of the stitches. So on our opening screen here, I can choose either sewing and embroidery, and it's really fun. Up here it says I've spent 0 hours and 0 minutes sewing together with Iris. Well, we're about to change that. So let's go ahead and click the sewing icon. And we want to check out some of our stitches. So we're gonna find our stitches here where that little zigzag is, and this menu is gonna pop up and we can scroll through all these different stitches. Our menus here at the top, you can see we've got A for utility stitches, B for crafting stitches, and then you can scroll through the menus and check out all the different stitches. I just love bows. Let's long hold that bow, get it to pop over on the left. And if we want this screen to disappear, we can totally get it to go away, or we can even make it smaller by bringing in the corner there. So that's a new feature on this machine for sure. Another new feature is that along the side of the foot here, we've got these little lines, these little like stitched lines kind of showing you where the embroidery or where the decorative stitch here, I should say, is gonna fall within the foot. This machine has all kinds of awesome bells and whistles. It even has a stitch creator. We can design our own stitches. This is so cool. I'm gonna go over all of these features in another video, but I have got to show you this amazing feature. It's called stitch projection. So we're gonna go ahead and touch it, and we've got some different options for projecting our stitch on our fabric. That's right. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the projection here. We'll just get rid of that menu, and now let's check out the bed of our sewing machine. Look at this, we have a grid. I put the red line through it, and we've got the bows there. We can see exactly where it's going to stitch. This is so cool. Let's try it out. Let's stitch these bows out. This is so nice because we can follow the grid with our foot. Look at those cute little bows. I've got the embroidery unit attached to the machine. This is so exciting. My favorite new feature on here is that you can actually embroider something in the round. Let's say you've got a pant leg, you've got a t-shirt, you don't have to worry about trying to work it around the hoop. We can slide it right onto the bed of the machine. This seems unbelievable, right? Let's check it out. You're also gonna notice that there's a new hoop attachment, and the bottom of the hoops here look different. So it's real easy. We just lay it on top and go ahead, push it down, and it's clicked in just like that. And you're probably wondering, but what about all those old hoops I have? Are they garbage now? They are not. So there's actually a little converter here, so you can use all the hoops that you already have. So let's put that on just so you can see it real quick. So let's pop that off, and then go ahead and put that converter on. And just like that, you can use all your hoops you already have. So I have this skirt hoop, and I'm going to slip the skirt onto the bed of the sewing machine. So that way, you're gonna notice the skirt is below like the free arm here on the sewing machine and on the top of it. And then I can just click my hoop in, and then I don't have to worry about getting the bottom of the skirt caught in the embroidery. Another really cool feature is that you can project some of the embroidery, so that way you can line up the positioning of it beautifully. Check that out. I have a dinosaur projected, and there's the bottom of the dinosaur, so I can line it up. And if I want to move it, I can go ahead and move it to reposition it. And then when I have it just where I want it, I can start embroidering. So those were a couple of my favorite new features on the Designer Epic 3. But those aren't the only new features on this machine. I'll be going over some of the other new features like creating your own stitch, what's so cool, in another video. It was just so exciting getting this machine and unboxing it, and I really wanted to share it with you today. Big shout out to Viking for designing another awesome sewing machine. And if you want to know more about this machine, make sure you subscribe to Sew Anastasia, because I'll have those videos coming out soon. And if you're already a subscriber today, thank you so much for watching Sew Anastasia today. I would love to know what you think about the new Designer Epic 3. Leave it down below in the comments. And let me know what features you want me to cover about the machine and any other videos you guys want to see. Just leave that down below in the comments for me so I can add them to my shooting list. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, all the socials, so that way we can stay connected and creative together. And if you're in Chicago, make sure you stop on into the design studio and take a sewing class with me. You can learn about those at sewanastasia.com. And so close, it's happening so soon. We're going to be launching that online sewing school, so keep an eye out for it. Thank you so much for watching today. Bye.